So we've just discovered that our little bird has gone into this hole and now can't get back up, obviously, because it's quite a long pole. So Matt is trying to discut the top off, so then we can maybe put something down to hopefully the bird can grab hold of. And he's just put his fleece in there just to protect the bird a bit, well, because it's so noisy doing the disco. He's just going to hopefully get a new disc, but he's not sure if he's got another one, because we're about halfway. So fingers crossed he can find something in his workshop.
Inside radius of the tube, I hope. And then by making it like that, I think once I put it in, and then if I rotate it like that, then it will mean that it can go halfway under it. So it will stick to the outside, go round, hopefully then I can then rotate that bit so it's in the middle and then pull it up without stabbing it.
Okay, that's the theory.
Yeah.
A little perch.
Well, yeah, maybe. Well, it's trying, isn't it?
It's really trying.
It won't have enough diameter in here for its wings to really flap, will it?
So Matt's got the torch now, and he can see that it's a little blue tit.
So hard to gauge the distance. Let's just drop back in.
Oh, that was close.
I mean, there's an old one in here as well, an old dead one.
Is there?
Yeah, so it's happened before. So that's an old one. Oh, that's a shame, isn't it? I mean, it's just something you don't think of, do you? That's not a blue tip. Yeah, okay, so. This is a live one or another dead one. Jen, right, now put your hand quickly through the bottom of that hole so it can't drop back in. Do it quick, that slot. Put it right through as hard as you can, as far as you can. So if this is live, it won't fall.
I can only fit 2 of my fingers in.
Okay.
I mean, it looks a bit raggedy.
Oh, it's so good. It's sitting on the perch. Clever thing. Right. All right, stick something longer. So find something big. Oh, actually, I'll use my hands. Here you go. I can't believe this. Ready? I'll turn it around so you can see it. It's actually standing on the perch. What a clever little bird.
Let him get his space.
Wow, that's great.
Tiny little bird.
This obviously happens regularly.
Yep. So that was great that we got the little bird finally, and we've just taped up the slot here because it's quite big, so it doesn't need to be that big, and then just put the top back on with some gaffer tape. So
I mean, it's a horrible thought, all the years I've been doing fencing and putting in gates, and then potentially, I mean, you know, those posts last for years, and I can't remember how many years that's been in there. Quite a while.
36,000?
A little bit less than that. But in that time, we pulled out 2 dead birds, and fortunately 1 alive, all different types of sort of blue tip. Horrible.